to Shella Tando Channel. So ito yung pointing system ng DepEd ranking for Teacher 1 position. Kung makikita nyo, ang maximum points ng LET rating ay 10 points. So paano nga ba kinocompute ang LET rating mo? So ito yung formula na ginagamit for computation of your LET rating points. So PPET or LET or LEPT rating over HPR times WA. So yung HPR natin ay 100 and then yung WA is 10 points. So before ko ipapakita yung sample computation, atin munang alamin kung bakit tinatawag itong PPET, LET or LEPT. So bakit nga ba PPET ang tawag nito? Ang Professional Board Examination for Teachers or PBET ay unang ginanap noong 1973. Ito ay pinangasiwaan noon ng Civil Service Commission bago ito nailipat sa Professional Regulation Commission o PRC bilang LET or LEPT. Ang LET naman o Licensure Examination for Teachers, ito ang naging opisyal na pangalan noong unang isinagawa ito noong 1996 sa ilalim ng Republic Act No. 7836 o ang Philippine Teachers Professionalization Act of 1994. Samantala, ang LEPT naman ay mas formal at opisyal na terminong ginagamit ng Professional Regulation Commission o PRC sa kasalukuyan. Mas binibigyang diin ng PRC ang salitang professional upang ipakita ang professionalismo sa pagtuturo, kaya naging LEPT ang formal na pangalan. Paano nga ba i-compute ang LET rating points mo? So, isulat muna natin, LET rating points computation. So, ayan, LET rating points computation. So, ang formula na gagamitin natin ay based sa DepEd Order No. 7 Series of 2023. So, ayan, points equals PPET or LET or LEPT rating, yan, over HPR or the highest possible rating in board exam. So LET over HPR times WA or the weight allocation for your LET rating. So halimbawa, yung LET mo ay 75.20 and then yung HPR naman ay 100 and then the weight allocation or the maximum points for LET is 10 points. So 75.20 divided by 100 times 10 equals 7.52. So 7.52, iyan na ang magiging LET rating points mo sa DepEd ranking. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.